Hi guys, in today's tutorial we'll be discussing how to use the Google search facility. Now, Google is probably the most popular search engine, but it's certainly not the only one. There's other ones you can use, like Yahoo, MSN, but the principles will still be the same. So I'm going to show you a little bit about how to use Google search and also the features within that. Okay, you want to point the cursor in the search bar there, and we're just going to search for weather. Okay, it's already finding results there, but we want to narrow it down a little bit more. We want weather in Kent. Okay, so type Kent. You can see it's pre-populating anyway. It gives you the details of the weather in Kent. We want to narrow it down even more than that, so we're going to click on Maidstone, weather Kent, and then Maidstone. That will give you a more comprehensive view of the weather there. Okay, let's say we're looking for a particular song. We've heard the lyrics, but we don't know who it's by, so we just type in music and then type in a portion of the lyrics. Okay, so I'm going to choose these as demonstration, and as you can see, We Are the People brings up Empire of the Sun. So that's a really good way of finding out the name of a particular song. I've used it many times myself. Okay, so let's assume that we are looking for a particular song, but we need to refine the search a lot more because we're not finding it for whatever reason. So let's do a search. We're going to search music, and we've got some of the lyrics in mind, so we'll just write down the lyrics that we've got. And what I'm going to put in is remember when you were young, and make sure it's typed in properly. That brings up, but we're not familiar with any of those artists on there, and we're not sure it's bringing that out. Anyway, what you'd need to do at this point would be to put quotation marks around the portion of text that you want to include. Remember when you were young was definitely quoted in the song clip that we heard. So type that in there. That will find all the entries with those string of words as they are together, which is really helpful for finding the particular song you're after. And in this instance it's found what I was after, which is Shine On You Crazy Diamond by Pink Floyd, which is the first entry there. Okay, let's say we're in the market for buying a guitar. We'll write guitar, search, hit enter. There you go, brings up a whole host of websites there. We want to refine it a bit more, so we'll type in guitar, Fender, and then Stratocaster. It's on the list there, just select that. And what we're going to do is we're going to look at the images on this taskbar here. I'm going to click on images here, and it'll show you all the images from every website related to the Fender Stratocaster. I'm going to click on one there. You notice the option there, view image. That will give you the image in full detail. You can save that as an image or whatever you want. Just hit back there. It'll take you back to that menu again, and then you can also visit the web page where that image is from, and that will go straight to that. Another thing you can do is refine the search a bit more. Click in search tools there, and you can refine the pictures by their size. So you can have large, medium. You can be more specific as well. You can have specific sizes you want to look for. There you go. It will show you all the large ones there. It shows you the size of the pictures there in the bottom left hand corner of each picture. Yep, see there. Select the other sort of sizes you got there. You've also can also search by the colour. You know, full colour, black and white, transparent, or even those in the colours there. Different types, as well as the time, as in that's when it was last published as a website. Another option you've got here is shopping. If you're in the market for a Fender Stratocaster, you've got some options here. Of course, this is fully customizable. You can search by price or whatever, a bit like eBay. If you click the More tab here, you can also select other things such as videos. That's a popular one. That will show you all the videos relating to that subject. Search tools again, you can be more specific, duration of the video. You can also specify the time, as in when it was last published. Quality, different types of videos you've got there, and the source, that's from certain websites if you only want to look at videos from certain websites. And that's it. Thanks for watching. As I say, it's just a brief tutorial on using Google search. There's obviously other features that you can use. You have a play around with it. It's very, very comprehensive. Any thoughts or questions you've got, please don't hesitate to email me.